Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today quickly to share my camera got jacked while I was uploading videos. I found this video of my daughter, and so I just thought I'd share it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see her again. I haven't even watched it all the way. I'm gonna watch it as I'm editing, so hope you guys are having a crafty day.
Hi Mom, I wanted to show you that I am learning how to origami. So we're gonna learn how to make a lotus flower. If you find this video, well, origami. For now I made like 4 sheets, but I think for this lotus flower I'm only gonna be needing 1 sheet. My iPad off right here is for the tutorial. Your jacket. Okay, so I already started watching it, but I moved into here because flat desk, and even with my curtains open I couldn't see. It over. Do you have like a ruler or something that I can use? I don't see one. Okay. The thicker it's getting, the harder it is to like make the crease better.
It's not saying how high I have to make it up, so I'm just gonna, right there. Do it for every side. Honestly, you're probably gonna find this video the day that I am making it. So, I'm most likely gonna end up telling you, hey, I made a video of me doing my flower. My little origami lotus flower. That looks kind of cool. Wait, what? Huh? Wait. Oh.
Okay, that's an ad. I don't understand how they did this last part. But There's my little lotus flower.
She's so funny. Her birthday is coming up. She will be turning 18 in the middle of July. So, this is hilarious. But yeah, so hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.